Okay, just finished another saber. This request by a customer. This from my holy model, but finished in gold and black. Okay, and no sound as well. So the blade is in green in color. Okay, and of course the newest feature, the blinky. Do you like the blinking LED? Had some life, even though got no sound, but still got some movement, some activity. The green is bright. Okay.